Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm a dealer and educator for the APQS Long Arms for Lifelong Learning Center. Let's look at how to dress up a typical beadboard or piano keyboarder design with just a few different choices, and you find the one that you like best. We'll start out with something pretty simple, just a back and forth filler. So I'm just going back and forth and back. Right, they're not crossing over each other. You could make this more matchstick size. I'm just going to do it more quickly. All I'm after is trying to give some definition and relief to push back some of these negative spaces and pull others forward. Now I'm going to skip over one and head over to the second one next door, and let's just do like a ribbon candy. So it's that same movement I just did before, only curvier. So lots curvier. And you're just going to have to see which look that you like. You might like the more matchsticky lines. You might like more of the ribbon candy. Of course, we can stick anything in here. We could do circles, we could do pebbles. I'm just going to skip over that one. I'm going to go to this next one. You could do just a straight up meander. Let's see, I think I just want to do C shapes. Back and forth. There's any number of fillers you can put inside this space to push this back. And that way you'll start to play with the dimensionality of your quilt. All right, I'm going to break my thread and let's just take a look at these three side by side. Like I said, just think about little fillers. These are like little sashing spaces and what you could put inside that beadboard space as you fill it out. You could skip every other one like I've done here, or you could decide to go ahead and fill in every single one. You could skip two. You could do one and skip two. You could do one and skip three. You have all kinds of options. Don't think there's a rule. There's not a rule. It's your quilt, your rules. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, visit apqs.com and be sure to like us on our Facebook page. We'd love to have you join the conversation, and we'd like to see what you're working on.